They've changed the buttons on this, but not the indicator. Classic. They've still got the, like, fabric thing in this. Weird. Yeah, the buttons used to be 1, 2, 3 as well, but now they've changed them. Oh. Are you going up? Oh god. They've still got them like that. That's so bad. The labels look better. The labels look way better. These used to obviously have labels on them, and they put these on. Why can't they put more labels on them? This is an elevator, not a lift. Because it's 12 plus, so it's an elevator, not a lift. Those doors do not sound good. Is the door close button not actually registering to close the doors and just beeping?
Going up. Doors closing.
Slow doors. Signature newer monospace slow doors.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
Mirrors on the side, not the back. Strange.
Doors closing.
Energy saving.
Doors closing.
What? Lift going up? I've never heard that voice say that before. Sounds like a Renault drive.
First door.
Jesus.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
No climaphone. Lift source. UK limited.
Doors opening.
Oh, it's neon. It's called X now. It's not called Facebook. It's not called Twitter anymore. It's called X. Stupid Riverside. Twitter. It's called X now. I'm going to get Elon Musk on Riverside. Loud voice.
Going up.
It's not called Pot Stills anymore, it's called Pot and Play. I'm gonna get the Donald Trump on you. I'm not gonna get Elon Musk, I'm gonna get Elon Musk on Ryan, I'm gonna get Donald Trump on you. Rochdale, Riverside.
Doors opening.
Okay, that's not messy foot.
Going down.
28 years later, it's like a trike now, isn't it? Like, trunk port, I don't know what you call it. Sure's been like... there's been a sequel to that already.
Ground floor.
28 days later, like 28 weeks later, or
Doors
months later.
opening.
I don't know. Chief Sense actually got doors open. What are they doing in there? Are they actually doing something to it finally? They're doing something to the Wheat Chief Centre finally. I don't know.